In this video, we'll go over some useful tips on how to create content with Google Maps. The easiest way to populate a custom map is by uploading structured data. In this example, I created a Google Sheet with property listings. You can freely customize the rows and columns, just make sure to include either street address or longitude-latitude coordinates that Google can locate. To open Google Maps, you should be logged into your Google account and open the Maps app. Navigate to your Places, then Maps, and click Create Map. Give the map a title and zoom into the area you want to map. Let's import our data. You can browse your Google Drive or upload a file. I'm using a CSV file, which is short for comma-separated values. After you select the columns to use for the property addresses and marker title, Google adds location markers for each property. Now we can customize the map. To better highlight the property locations, I choose a more muted base map. And select the custom icon. And color. And assign a label. Now that we have our properties map, let's add some more content. We'll add a new layer to group topics, maybe coffee shops in the area. Doing a search will bring up a list of coffee shops that you can then select to add to the map. Then we can customize the style. Let's add another layer. How about fast food options nearby? You can also easily add your own places or points of interest. Just select the marker icon and then click anywhere on the map to add a location. Then add images or videos using your own assets or through a Google search. And then customize the style for this group. That's the start of a great neighborhood map. Maps has several sharing and embedding options, but first you have to make this map accessible for everyone by changing its access permissions to public. Now we can post it directly to Facebook. I'm gonna share it on the Brokers.Guide Facebook page. And here it is, nicely showing up in the newsfeed. You can also use it on your website or blog by embedding it. Copy the embed code and then add it as HTML snippet to your website. I'm showing an example of a WordPress blog post where I added as a code block. And the map gets embedded in a mobile-friendly, responsive container. Including an interactive menu to toggle layers. This is a great way to add custom localized content to your website and social channels. For more, check out the Brokers.Guide website, forums, and Facebook group.